Hello, today I'm going to show you what clay I use with my projects. This one is Fimo soft I use with my dolls parts. This one is Cernit. It's more like Fimo, but this older brand. And this one is Swedish brand. It's called Polymer. It's a little bit cheaper and these two brands. And for these brands, Swedish brand, I use this to make these gnomes. And this one is Fimo brand. Fimo have more color to choose from. This Swedish brand is not so many color, it's only boss color, black, white, red, and some more color. And Cernit, I think this one is going to be discontinued, so I don't see in the market anymore. This one I got from the market somewhere. So it's a little bit about the clay I use.